everyone, welcome to my channel Off the Page with Dyara. I'm so excited to share this vlog with you guys because it is my very first vlog on my YouTube channel. And it's also another special video because I will be unboxing my TheraFace LED mask and I'm so excited as much as you are. So without further ado, let's get started. Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Oh, oh my god. Look at that, that's so cool and pretty. And that's about it for today's vlog, and I really hope that you enjoyed the whole video. Also, I will be uploading another video on how my skin feels like right after using this for like at least 1 to 2 months to get the best results of it. So stay tuned and follow for more. And just like everybody else says, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is Off the Page with Dyara, and thanks for watching. Bye! Stick around, you might come across more amazing videos just like this one. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Bye. And thanks for watching. Bye. So if you would like to watch more exciting videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to Off the Page with Dyara. And like everybody says, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It's one of the purchases that I'm so excited. And also I'm so excited to unbox the TheraFace mask with you guys to